What we're going to do next is we're going to create some waypoints for our miners to follow when they're working in the mine. So it'll look like they'll walk around the building, walk around the cave, and from point to point to point, and look like they're doing some work. And so the way that you do that is you go to the waypoints painter over here, go to standard, open the little plus symbol here, go down to waypoint, and we'll just place one on the ground right here. And we can rotate that to determine which way the player will face. I can zoom in on this, you can see a little bit. You won't see this in the game, obviously. The player will walk, or the NPC will walk here and face that direction. And so, it makes sense that they would be facing the wall. And then we'll paint another one maybe over here next to the mine shaft. So maybe they have to walk down there towards the mine shaft and face it and do something with the rope, I don't know. And so I'll zoom out and do a couple more. Do one over here and face the wall, and do one over here and face the wall. And the way that this will work is they'll walk through each one and they will follow the path and repeat it on a loop. And now to do that, we have to set these up as a set. So I need to click on each one. I'm going to hold down the shift key to select them all. And then I'm going to right click on that and choose create set. And the name of the set is going to be WP_CT_miner. And if you type it in just the same way that you typed in that character tag for the miner, then by default, any miner object that is created will start off by looking for and following this waypoint set because it shares the same name. I'm going to click OK. I'm actually going to start my starting point in here to test this. Let's see, that's where's my trigger for, oh no. Our trigger for creating the miners is out here. So I need to make sure that I start in this area so that I can walk across this trigger and make the miners appear. And then we'll see if they're walking around. So let me save this and test it. Okay, I'll have to do a little fighting here. I can see the miners are currently walking in the path, so that appears to be working. Okay, we'll come in here. And notice we have goblins showing up, but they're not fighting any of the miners because the miners are, the factions that we set up means that the miners and the goblins won't attack each other, so that's working well. Okay, so that'll do it for this one. In the next video, we're going to set up some conversations and get a journal with a quest.